Welcome to Mom's Glossary. Here I am with the next set of 20 DIY worksheets for 3 to 5 years old. Our first worksheet is all about the addition. It's a domino based addition. He has to count the dots and write the numbers here. For example, it has 2, so he will write 2 here and 4. So 2 plus 4, he will count the total dots and write the number. It's 6. So I'll write the number 6 here. Like this we will finish this worksheet. And our next worksheet is all about the sight words. Here we are covering come and look. So the heart which is having the word called come, he will color it green. And for the look, he has to color red. And our next worksheet for the math, it's a tally counting. So it's a 4, so he will write 4. 5, 1, 6, so he will write the number 6 here. And our next worksheet is for the symmetry drawing. It's like a reflection. So you have to draw the other side by seeing this one. Just draw a circle, dot and connect it. Just we will get a diamond here and just this one. And our next worksheet is for the sequence. What will come next? For example, it's AB pattern. Circle, square, circle, square, circle. What will come next? It's a square. So my son will draw square here. Triangle, circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle. So he will draw this circle here. It's a B pattern. Next is ABC pattern. Next one is B pattern. So we will finish the rest of the sequence here. And our next worksheet is for the beginning sound. He will see the picture and circle the letter which starts with the beginning sound. For example, it's apple, apple, sun, house, ball, cat, rainbow, watermelon, grapes. Like this we will finish the next worksheet also. Fish, net, train, dice, jellyfish, umbrella, ring, kite. And our next worksheet is circle the greater number. He will see the numbers and circle which one is big. For example, it's 13, 19, 11. Which number is greater? It's 19. So we will circle the number 19. Like this we will do here. I covered it from 11 to 30. Since my son is good in finding the big and small between 1 to 10. So here I covered from 11 to 30. And our next worksheet is for the spatial as well as visual discrimination. He has to copy and recreate it. For example, the first square box will have circle. So he will draw circle here. The second one triangle and the square will come here. Just he has to see and recreate it. And our next worksheet is for connecting the dots. Here I covered the number from 1 to 25. He will just go in the sequence of the number and connect the dots so that he will get the picture chick. And our next worksheet is for the opposite concept. So here I have hot, cold, up, down, happy, sad, day, night. Next also opposite, it's full, empty, in, out, long, short, under, over. And our next worksheet is for the 5 sense concept. Ice cream, what we will do with the ice cream? We will taste it, we will eat it. So mouth, tongue, it will come. Bell, what will happen? The bell will make noise. How you can hear? Through your ears. So this sense will come. Sun, we can only see. So eye. Ball, we will play with the hand. So hand will come. Flower, it smells good. So nose. Apple, again taste. And our next worksheet for the stroke. He will just create the strokes like straight line, slantic, zigzag, this pattern, wavy pattern, and then circle. And our next worksheet is for the vowel sound, middle vowel sound. It's A-E-I-O-U. So he will see the picture and write the correct one. Sun, so U will come. tag, a will come, so we will write it here. This is how we will finish the middle vowel sound activity. And our next worksheet is for the odd one out. All these are vehicles. Balloon is not a vehicle, so this is the odd one out. We will circle this. All these are related to sky. Tree is not in sky, so we will circle this. This is not a fruit. All these are related to clothes, so this one is odd one out. All these are kitchen utensils, so this one is odd one out. And our next worksheet is for the count and graph. He has to count the shapes here and color it. For example, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. So you will color the 3 squares. Like this we will count and color it, and we will get a graph. From this graph I will ask my son which one is having very less. This rectangle, because the rectangle is having only one. He would have colored only one box, so it will be very less. Like this we will do this worksheet. And our next worksheet is for animals and their homes. Bumblebee, honeybee where it lives, hive. Bird, nest. Dog, kennel. Spider, web. And our next worksheet is for the color sight words. So he will read the color and color the car with respect to the color. For example, it's blue, so he will color the car blue. Like this we will finish it for rest of the colors. And our next worksheet is for color the picture that are red. Apple is red, stop sign is red, ladybug is red, strawberry is red. So only sun he will not color. Rest all he would have colored in red color. So that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.